Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up.
And a huge opportunity for the champ to prove to everyone that there truly is none better in all of WWE right now.
The challenger with a confident look on his face, more than ready for this title opportunity.
One of the tallest competitors in WWE history.
The personification of intimidation. The Colossus has arrived.
This referee has seen enough and issued a warning.
Yeah, now is not the time to push the referee's patience.
Boom! DDT!
Saw that coming.
Leaping into the wheelbarrow, up and around. DDT!
Poor soul who drew Omos for an opponent. What are you trying to do to make it out of this one?
I would start with making peace with your maker, and then hope you can exploit Omos's relatively untested status. He's young, he's powerful, he thinks he's invincible. That can lead to sloppiness, so try to exploit that and make your moments count.
The hottest potato in WWE being contested, the 24/7 championship.
It's the best title ever, Michael. What other championship has been won by both me and Corey?
Correction, Saxton. I won it. You stole it. What a knockout punch!
Oh, man.
Driven down.
Jaw-shattering boot. Swanton finds the mark.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
Oh, man, referee hit hard here. Alabama slam.
That was all sorts of net.
It's going to cost them.
That wasn't smart at all.
24/7 rules being temporarily suspended during this 24/7 championship defense.
Yeah, no sneaking up on the champ like you always try to do, Saxton.
Hey, it worked once.
Okay, consider that a harsh lesson.
Stomping. Ouch.
Paying it right back with a reversal. An arm breaker.
Climbing up top, he's got big plans.
From the heavens, big body splash from the top. Oh my God, springboard moonsault!
Wow! Takes another trip to the skies, and it pays off once again.
Big forearm.
And he's able to counter. Corey, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't ask. Even if there's no good answer, how do you possibly beat Omos?
It's all right, Cole. I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't try to think of something. Omos is a physical marvel, but he's also inexperienced. He also doesn't know all the tricks. He doesn't know all the little things that win titles and earn main events. Stay light on your feet. Exploit the inexperience. Maybe then you'll have a shot.
Going way up high.
From the heavens, splash from the top.
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring.
He's thinking a steel chair is just what he needs to wreak some havoc here.
The champ trying to roll with these hits.
It's nothing he hasn't been through before.
And Omos capitalizes there.
Out of the way in time.
Saw that one coming.
Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
That was amazing.
This one's over. Tap out coming.
Swerves his way out.
Being carried around with ease. Oh, God, face first. Here's a pin for the title. And he easily kicks out of the count.
A little closer to getting the pinfall there, but this is still anybody's fight.
Leaping into the wheelbarrow, up and into for the championship.
Fights at it, too.
What do you have to do to put this guy away? From the top. Drop. Piercing elbow.
Knees meet face.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
From the heavens, the big body splash from the top.
It looks like we're going to see Salida Del Sol. The title might change hands. Try and end it. 1, 2.
The champ kicks at it, too.
This is complete insanity.
Still holding on to the title by the skin of their teeth.
I've lost count of how many times this...
Watch out. Coming down from way up top.
And the pressure on Omos continues to mount.
Omos from the heavens. Splash from the top. Consecutive high-risk maneuvers, and the pace of this match has... Launch it.
Knees to the chest.
That might be what gets Omos out of danger.
The challenger eating up some damage. What a punch. Boom. Punch. Nasty.
He saw it coming.
Lights out. DDT connects.
Omos with great awareness.
Clothesline.
That'll leave a mark. Ooh, that might have just broken something. Big boot.
Pin attempt for the championship. Kicks out. He still has life.
A long 2.5 in the waning moments of this match.
And he denies Omos.
There's a wheelbarrow.
Boom! DDT.
You have to imagine where...
It looks like we're going to see Salida Del Sol. The title's in jeopardy here.
I think the paradigm has shifted.
And that's it. New champ. New champ.
This superstar picks up a huge victory here tonight. Much deserved, Michael.
Yeah, but I don't think his opponent is happy about losing here. I mean, he's got to be humiliated and embarrassed. He thought he was going to win this match.
Oh, I kind of did too.